You are at the administration is right here.
I'm going
Get
to
in
the
there.
emergency room, sir.
Get in there.
Where-
Get out of my car, man.
Where is my
Get out
destination?
of my car, man.
I don't know where I am. I'm asking you where is my destination. Even if you will kindly point at where I am.
Out of,
It said
get
1760.
out of my car, man.
Sir, it said.
Get out of my car, man.
Why are you yelling at me?
Because you won't get out of my car.
But you're not to yell at me.
You are not to yell at me.
1.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it. You are facing
Get out right fucking now.
You are facing
Get out of my car. I'm facing a fucking moron. Get out. No.
You're facing
No.
You have no right to scream at me.
I will fuck you any goddamn way I won't.
Really?
Yes, I fucking will. And I have the right.
Where am I?
You're at a hospital where
Where-
you need to be. Get out of my car. Can you get her out of her? We just